What's going on, guys?
Sir,
How you doing?
that looks like a drift truck.
Yeah, trying to make it one.
So you're coming to a drift event?
Yep, sir.
Y'all plan on drifting and shit?
Yeah, I do.
All right, cool. Well, we don't do that here.
Oh, yeah?
Fuck no.
Oh, that's
no,
unfortunate.
No, we in the straight line right now, there, boy.
Are you the one that runs this place?
Yeah, unfortunately.
I spoke to you online, man.
Okay,
Nice
cool.
to
What's
meet
your name?
Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Jason in the flesh. Yeah, track day going. I mean, I'm about to hold a driver's meeting.
Okay.
I've been waiting, trying to get some more people in here. I don't have anybody to help me at the gate, so I'm actually going to shut my gate after this.
Okay.
And hold me a driver's meeting. You're going to hear me screaming driver's meeting.
Okay.
Just come to it.
Okay.
You're going to unload after that. That way I can explain how the track works and how we're going to get this day kicked off.
Okay.
And then go from there.
All right.
So
Sounds
no big
good.
deal. $110 to drive, $15 whole for a spectator. Why don't you bring me no Chick-fil-A, bro?
Hey, you know, I got a biscuit in here,
I'm
man.
just joking.
I was gonna say shit. I'm gonna be honest with you, my first event, so my nerves a little shot. I couldn't even finish that motherfucker.
This your first event ever?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay with cameras, sir?
Man, I mean, that's what we doing, bro.
Yeah,
yeah.
That's my first event, and
Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I am absolutely honored that it's your first event. It's your first event ever?
Yes.
All right, hold on just a second.
The GS is hard, man.
Man, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I worked really hard to get this car, bro.
Today's beautiful.
Years ago, we made these stickers, and then I was looking and I found them. And these are really rare. And so a guy that helps with these events named Chris DeBoer that runs his own tool thing for Matco Tools, a really sweet guy, and he works really hard. He paid for all of these stickers to be given to everybody when they come to their first event ever.
Oh, wow.
And so this is for your first event ever. We only give these to guys that come to their first event. They're not even for sale.
That's
you cannot buy this sticker from me. There's only 15 left in the whole world, and we give them. I know it seems weird. It's a
That's sick.
I
That's
love
like
it.
this is a
true
circuit run
JDM
replica
shit.
from Ibisu. So we took an Ibisu ticket and replicated it, but to say Shenandoah Speedway.
Yeah.
And I want you to keep this as a memento.
Thank you,
as your
man.
first event ever.
I'm honored. Thank you.
I know it seems a small thing, but at the same time, it's kind of just like a, you know, hey, here's something to help put a mile marker on this day for you.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So that's all it is.
Man, I spent the last week grinding to get here. I'm glad I ended up coming.
Bro,
I started this thing up last night. I was running lean. I had to start trying to fuck with the fuel pressure regulator. So hopefully she does good today.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something straight up, man. We all go through struggles to get here, but we do it together. That's what drifting is. So, you know, I'm struggling to set it up. You're struggling to get here, but at the end of the day, it's about being in a community. So that struggle is for us to be together.
It's one of those independent team sports.
Yeah, nah. I mean, honestly, man, you know, they say there's no I in team, but that really doesn't exist in drifting. You know what I'm saying? It really doesn't. I've never seen anybody come here, run a full track day, be truly successful, and do it completely by themselves.
Yeah, ain't gonna happen.
You know, and I'm a big fan of any drifter. I don't care if it's your first day or your 500th day.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of the sport, so I just like seeing people come in. I just want you to know that the vibes is good, you know, and you're accepted. Take your time on your day. You can drive regular, you can drive normal. I don't care if you go out there and drive like somebody's fucking grandmama, man. It's your turn. Don't go out there and feel no pressure to perform at all. I want you to send that truck home looking the same way it did when it gets here. That's our only goal for the day.
Awesome.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
After
absolutely.
that, we'll get, you know, it's a day to learn, lifetime to master.
Yeah,
So,
man, you dropped the layout, and I saw the layout. I was like, ooh, it made me nervous. My first one, but as you said, it wasn't to scale, so it's gonna be a little different.
And it's actually
there.
a low-speed layout.
Cool.
So it's not a high-speed layout. So it's actually better for you, man.
Awesome.
So like, I'd rather see you fuck up at 35 than 55.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Putting you on this full-ass bank, like, and with this whole, our straight stretches are 500 feet long.
Yeah.
That's a long way, man, to get a build-up to then hit a 13-degree bank.
Yeah.
You're not just gonna shit that knowledge. So I'd rather just put you on this nice little zigzaggy infield layout where you can really learn steering wheel, hand placement, you know, where you're looking, what you're doing with your feet, where you do push the gas, where you don't. I'm not trying to get into a big spiel, man, but I'd rather see you on that type of layout than a big badass layout. You're ripping the bank any day.
Absolutely.
Because as fast as you learn is as fast as you'll fall. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So, you know,
Awesome.
Eric, mad love for you.
Appreciate it,
I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be hollering drivers meeting. Come over there.
All right.
I'll break it down and then we'll get you hot on track.
Sounds good, man. Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Driver meeting ain't happened yet. We're not late.
That's dope. That's fucking dope.
That boy got his ticket.
Yeah.
That's fire.
That is fire.
Don't lose that.
Where should we go? Where should we park at? Is it over here?
I don't know. Do the drive-through. I hear a camel lamp.
Dude, that's minimal.
Is that a camel lamp in this Miata? Hey.
God damn it, I hit myself in the face.
Go check her out.
Yeah, I feel like I don't got no grip now. I had it for a second and then I lost it.
You had your groove there for a minute. I saw you fucking banging them things out.
this. It's as it torques.
Really?
As this shit's coming out, it's unlatching it down there.
Oh. You know what?
Here, look, you do this. Yes, sir. You didn't grab that weird fucker, did you?
Nah.
What are you trying to do now?
This is my bed's coming apart because
It's tweaking. This is pulling out as his frame tweaks when he's sliding. So it's making his tailgate drop. His tailgate was just down out there.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought he meant to do that.
no. I thought I was about to fling it off hitting his back.
Hey, it's for downforce. NASCAR, baby.
Thank you.
Let's go talk to Eric and see how his first day drifting has been. How's your first day drifting been, sir?
Fucking amazing.
Amazing?
Crazy. Yeah,
Nice.
definitely crazy.
Definitely crazy.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.